everyone, and thank you for joining us. I'm Amber Solomon with the Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce, and we are here to do a ribbon cutting for Fairways Indoor Golf Lounge. We've got Jack, the owner, here with us. Tell us a little bit about what you guys have to offer.
Just a little bit of everything golf. We're the perfect place to come and train and get better at what you're doing, or we're a perfect place for inclement weather, either one. We're open 7 days a week, Monday through Thursday, 10 to 9, Friday, Saturday, 10 to 10, and we're even open Sundays, 11 to 7.
Perfect. And how can people come in? Is it walk-in or reservation only?
You don't have to make a reservation. You don't have to be a member. We do offer memberships for people who are going to frequent here. It becomes beneficial. But you can just walk in, and if we have a bay open, it can be yours. We're located right across from Pizza Hut on 62 next to Pegler Realty.
Perfect. All right. Well, let's cut the ribbon.
All right.